guys, in this video I will show you a use case, which is you can save a lot of tokens and credits while you are using tools, LLMs of AI like Cloud Code. You know, the obvious, like the most highest paid service one. It is consuming a lot. It is painful for developers and so on if they are using it as mainly with just a membership of $20. So in this video, guys, I will show you how to get a better trick with adjustment and so on, in very simple steps. In my case, I will just open anti-gravity. If in case you will have a cursor or something like any do like Z cursor, Windsurf, anti-gravity, all the same, guys. So I advise, if you are using the most powerful model now in worldwide, the Opus Cat 4.6, go for the planning, guys. Plan the steps, the next steps that you want to do, which is the adjustments, the code, let's say the adjustments, the planning of new feature, the fixes, bugs, issues, resolving, and so on. Make it as planned. So just always get a prompt, act as a senior developer, and get a detailed one of your prompt, like I'm gonna be planning to solve this bug and so on. It's gonna be scanning your files and so on without even coding. It's gonna be just a plan. Let's say I will give an example plan for a mini web page of AI models, of free AI models. Let's say free AI models. So here, guys, is gonna be generating the plan. So it's gonna be a bit of time is consuming. So it's gonna be exploring the file directory and so on. So it's gonna be fresh building. Let me create. It's gonna be creating comprehensive implementation plan in a fresh one. So here is gonna be a planning one, which is free AI models mini web page. The planification, create project, implement the HTML structure, implement the CSS style, implement the JavaScript logic, and verify on the browser. So in this case, after the planification is gonna be ready, it's gonna be like finish this. All what you do later, just change with the most cheap consuming model, even if it is Gemini, if it is Sonnet, if it is Gemini 3 Flash, and change from running to the first one, which is the coding and development phase. So here you win consuming, here you win credit, you win time, because you have a professional planning using powerful model, and execution is gonna be lowest one. So as you can see here, it's a planning like has gonna be doable, the phase, the AI models, the important notes and so on. Then you're gonna go with this one. So I hope you like the video. I hope it's gonna be saving you a lot. I hope it is like new things for you. Subscribe the channel, guys. It's really matter for me. And like, share, subscribe the channel. Peace.